In this video, we will be discussing the U-Avionics AV20 multifunction display, specifically its angle of attack indicator function. The AV20 is mounted in all of our Diamond DA20s and our Piper Arrow 4s. The AV20 has 7 pages: the attitude indicator, setup page, the GMT time page, the engine run and flight time page, timer 1, timer 2, and the angle of attack indicator page. Before we see the angle of attack indicator in action, Senior Flight Instructor Evan Elmore will show us why it's helpful to have a visual representation of the aircraft's angle of attack.
Hello everybody, I'm Evan Elmore, a Senior Flight Instructor at Indiana State University, and today we'll be talking about what is angle of attack. Before we hop into that, we're going to talk about the different parts of the wing. We have the leading edge, the trailing edge, the camber, which is the shape of the wing, and the chord line, which runs from the leading edge to the trailing edge. The very last part is your relative wind, which is parallel and opposite to your flight path. Knowing all these parts, now we can talk about what is angle of attack. The angle between the chord line and the relative wind, notified here. Luckily, we can figure out our angle of attack because of that. Now, we have three types, low, medium, and high. If we exceed too high of an angle of attack, we get a critical angle of attack. It's the angle at which airflow will separate from the wing and a stall will occur. Inside of our aircraft, we have what's called an angle of attack indicator, located above your instruments. Inside that, there's a visual representation of how an angle of attack will occur. So we have green, yellow, and red. We have low here for green, medium for yellow, and then you're about to reach your critical angle of attack will be red. Now, we'll show you some videos of how this is represented inside the aircraft. Thanks for watching.
In this clip, the instructor is demonstrating a power off stall. Note the angle of attack indicator located just above the attitude indicator. Watch as airspeed decreases and angle of attack increases as the instructor begins a simulated flare at altitude. Once the critical angle of attack is reached, the instructor will begin lowering the nose to decrease the angle of attack and recover from the stalled condition. In this clip, the instructor is rolling the aircraft into a level 30-degree bank turn. Note how the angle of attack continues to increase as the instructor rolls into a 50-degree bank turn. Note the onset of the stall warning horn as high as 80 knots. As bank increases in a turn, stall speed also increases. This is why it's important to never exceed 30 degrees of bank in the pattern. Watch as we combine a power off stall and a turn. The stall warning horn and full stall will occur at much faster airspeeds than they would during a normal power off stall. Because stalls occur at much faster airspeeds during turns, it is important not to exceed 30 degrees of bank while in the traffic pattern.